Today we're tackling two things you hear about all the time: browser cache and cookies. They sound complicated, but they're actually simple tools that make your internet experience better. But what exactly are they? And do you actually need to clear them? Let's dive in. Welcome to A Better Tech. Thanks for sharing your time with me. Make sure you like and subscribe, or I'll have to steal your RAM. Think of your browser cache like a personal, local storage unit for your browser. When you visit a website, it saves copies of things like images, logos, and page layouts to your hard drive. The next time you visit, your browser loads those saved copies instead of downloading them again. The main goal of cache is speed. It makes those frequently visited websites load faster. Now, cookies are different. These are small text files websites use to remember you. Cookies are responsible for keeping you logged into sites like Gmail or Facebook, remembering items in your Amazon shopping cart, or recalling your site preferences like language or dark mode settings. So do you need to clear them all the time? No, not usually, because they serve a helpful purpose. You should mainly clear your cache if you're experiencing website errors, or if a website looks outdated or broken. This often happens when a website has been updated, but your browser is still showing the old cached version. You should clear cookies if you're having trouble logging into a secure site, if you want to wipe out your personalized tracking data, or if you're using a public computer and want to ensure you're fully logged out of everything. Clearing cookies will log you out of most sites, so be prepared to re-enter passwords. Alright, let's get into the how-to, starting with desktop browsers. The steps are very similar for Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. In Chrome, you'll click on the three dots in the top right corner and select Delete Browsing Data. In this window, you can select between Basic or Advanced. You'll also want to make sure you select a time range. Selecting All Time is the best way to completely clear everything. Then you'll want to go through these options down here and select the things you want to clear out. After you've made your selection, just click on Delete Data. In Firefox, you'll go to History and then select Clear Recent History. In Safari for a Mac, you'll go to the Safari menu and look under Preferences, then Privacy, and manage your website data. Before I continue, I want to let you know about the guides I've created to help you get the most out of your technology. Links are in the description, so go check them out after the video. Now for the mobile part. Clearing cache and cookies on your phone is just as important. For iPhone and iPad users, the easiest way to clear Safari data is to go into your main settings app. Scroll down and tap Safari, then scroll to the bottom and tap Clear History and Website Data. It's one simple button. For Android users using the Chrome app, open Chrome, tap the three dots in the corner and go to History. Then tap Clear Browsing Data. The options here are the same as the desktop version. Select your time range and make sure cache and cookies are checked. And that's it. You now know what browser cache and cookies are, why they matter, and exactly how to manage them on both your computer and your phone. So next time a website is acting up, you know what to do. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions. And if you found this video helpful, please check out this other one for more simple tech explanations. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.